Lately, I've been obsessed with FM Lab. If I'm working on something that's in that retro pop territory, usually I'll just start with a simple keys patch and lock down some chords. Perfect DX7 vibes, I love it. We'll double that with some FM brass. There's a range of different bass patches, especially some cool arpeggiated ones, but we'll just use something simple that's going to cut through the mix. I'll throw some drums in and we'll throw down some synth lead. This patch is called Growing Pains.